Well, you might be wondering what I'm doing here. Wax crayons, coffee, and some designs on card. Let's see what happens. Welcome to my channel. My name's Colleen. So I have drawn onto my 160 gram card some designs using my lovely chunky white wax crayons. And I'm doing a series of videos on how to decorate card and I'm using coffee. So I'm going to be just simply painting this over my design. You'll see that wherever I've got wax crayon, it is actually resisting the design. And if you are looking very carefully, you will see that there's some areas of white, and that's because I had white wax crayon there. Something that I found is actually quite difficult to get is a white wax crayon, but it wasn't very visible when I first showed it. And the reason I'm doing this series in the coffee is because I just love the gentleness of the background, and I'm hoping to do a nice project with them, with some stamping and some journaling and stuff. So I want this to be really, really gentle backgrounds. And unlike dyes, which have very strong colors and can overpower, this is going to be something that will just fall into the background. So I need to leave this to dry completely, which won't take terribly long. As you can see already, this wet area is just being soaked into the newsprint below. And when I'm completely finished, I'm going to put a piece of white paper over the front of my design, turn it over and iron from the back with a hot dry iron, just to melt the wax out. It won't take terribly long to do, and then you're good to go with your papers. So please join me in some of the other videos, and I will show you what this will look like when it's completely dry in the thumbnail. So thank you for joining me. Bye.